Hello guys, it's Shekhar this side and I welcome you all to the official CedCommerce channel. And in this series of videos for Catch Magento Integration, I'm back again with a new video, and in today's video we'll be talking about the management of products while doing the Catch Magento integration. And like in the last video we talked about the signing of products to the profiles that we create. Today we'll be talking about the management of products, and let's see how we do that. So this is your Magento admin panel, as you can see, and on the top navigation bar you can see Catch, and upon placing your cursor on it you can see the manage products option, which you need to click at in order to manage the products. So once you click on it, you can see all your products listed on this page under the heading of product manager, and you can see your products ID, profile, category, catch category, SKU, name, price, quantity, visibility, and status type, catch status, validation, and the actions that you can take for the products. And you can also see on the top right side of the page the actions bar, and upon clicking on the drop down menu you can see you have these points, like you can validate products from here, upload products with offer, or update price and inventory for offers. So this is how you can take the actions and click on the submit button in order to confirm the action that you want to take. So let's see how we do that. And before that, you can also see the reset filter button over here. So if your products are not listed here or they are not here, you can just click on reset filter button and all your products will be listed here. So let's see how we do this, how we take these actions. So for example, if I want to take action for these retro chic eyeglasses, I'll be selecting it, or I can select all the products by clicking on select all, but I'll doing it for this one product. So I'll be selecting the product and I'll go on the actions. I'll be clicking on validate products and I'll be clicking on submit. So I'll be navigated to this page where I can see the message or the status of this validation. So I'll go back now and I'll see that this product is invalid. So I'll be clicking on it in order to see why it's invalid. So it's error here, which we can see cache brand attribute is empty and club catch eligible attribute is also empty. So I'll be editing this from this part of the page. You can see under actions you have three options of validating product, uploading, or editing. So you can do it from here also for any product. So I'll be opening edit in a new window and a new tab, and from here I'll go on catch from the left side, and here you can see catch brand, which was not there and that was the error. So I'll be entering retro here. Then in the club catch eligible, I'll be selecting yes, or you may select no in accordance with your need, and then I'll be clicking on this save button. So once I do that, I'll go again in this page, and now I'll be refreshing this page, and I'll be selecting this product, and now I'll again validate it by clicking on validate product and I'll submit it. So once I do that, I can again see the validation status, and once I go back, now you can see that this product is valid now. So this is how you can make your product error free and make them valid to upload. So this is how you validate your product. Now the next step is you can upload your products, and for that you need to select upload products and submit button. So once you click on submit button, you can again see the uploading status over here, and this is how you see your message over here that one batch successfully upload requested. So this is how you request the uploading. And the third option is upload products with offers. So again you will select the product, the option, click on submit button, and again you will be navigated to this page for the uploading status. So you can see uploading status over here, and you can see the message here that 100% one of one processed and one batch successfully upload requested, and you can see there's no error over here. And similarly for the last option, the last point actually, because we have to take all these steps in order to sell on Catch Marketplace. So we'll be selecting the update price inventory offers, and we'll be selecting we'll be clicking on the submit button in order to update the price and inventory for the product. So we'll be clicking on submit, and again you can see the uploading status message over here, and 100% one of one processed and one batch successfully upload requested. So this is how you complete the product upload execution. and you can come back to this page, and this is how you can take actions for the products that you have. And this is the video where you can see the management of products efficiently, and I hope you all like this video. I'll be back again with a new video, and I'll be talking about in that video about the management of orders, the catch orders. And till then, you can see this video and get yourself cognizant of how you manage products while doing the Catch Magento integration. And I'll be back again very soon with a new video. Till then, bye bye, see you, take care. This is Shekhar.